Hello champions, welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. So there is a very big update coming that there most likely your answer key for your KCET exam that is just concluded, you are going to get it today. Okay, so the answer key will be published in KEA website. I will explain how to see that, don't worry. And also those who are wondering that sir, my OMR sheet, is it correctly uploaded? So you can check that out as well. So I will explain everything in this short lecture. So let's start. So first of all, where I will get the answer key from. So answer key means obviously you have attempted a paper. Okay, you had A1, B1, A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4, like that. You have got a separate set for your paper, and different people have got different papers. So don't worry, each and every set will be the answer key will be released for. Okay, so first of all you have to go to cetonline.karnataka.gov.in/KEA, that is the KEA website. I hope all of you know. So once you go into this website and you click on this admission section. Okay, once you click on this admission section, UGCET 2006. So this is the place where you have to click. That is your KCET exam page. Once you click on this page, you will be visible UGCET 2026 provisional key. So this is from 2025. Obviously it is not yet released, so that's why I'm using 2025 sheet. So UGCET 2026 provisional key. So you have to click on that. So they will release the answers. That is happening. Now here you have to select the subject. Okay, corresponding subject. For example, you download the physics. Once you download the physics, it will show you the entire key for each subject code. Okay, question number 1 for different subject code, what is the correct answer for that question. In case there is a bonus question, this will also be mentioned in that answer key as well. And if you have any objections to certain answers, you can raise an objection. That portal will be also available after these answer keys are released. You can log in using your student ID, CET ID that you have registered for. You can log into your account and you can raise a particular question, this question your set, etc. You mention everything and then you can raise a complaint that this question, I think this answer key is wrong, and if they find it correct, then they will there is a process involved. Okay, if you want to know about more about that process, I can explain it, but not today. So if you can raise a complaint that this answer key is wrong, I feel this is wrong, so you can raise a complaint, and then based on your complaint they might change the answer key as well. It happened in the past, it might happen this year if there is a something genuine is there. Okay, but one more important update that is coming is that your center wise OMR sheet is also available for download. Okay, currently it is only available for 2 districts, Bangalore and Dharwad. Otherwise no other districts are available, are listed over here. So the process is ongoing. More and more districts will be updated in this column. So first of all you have to go into the KEA website, UGCET 2026, and there UGCET 2026 exam center wise OMR view. Okay, so once you click on that, you have to select UGCET 2026 in the exam column. There is only one option, by the way. Then you have to select the district from where you have appeared. Remember, it is not from where you have studied, it is the district from where your examination center is located. Okay, so for example, you click on Bangalore. Okay, once you click on Bangalore, then you have to select the subject physics, chemistry, maths, and once you select the physics, chemistry, math, you will get the list of colleges that is there one by one. Okay, that screenshot is not here. So once you select the subject, for example, you want to check your physics OMR sheet, click on the subject physics, chemistry, maths, biology, all 4 subjects will be available here. Once you click on that, entire center history will be available, and you go and find your own center from where you have appeared for your KCET exam. Okay, it is not the college, again I am saying, not the college from where you have studied, it is the exam center from where you have written the exam. Okay, so for example, if you have written from Seshadri College, go find Seshadri College, click on there, and entire all the students data will be available. You need to find a little bit longer because obviously it is done according to the roll number. You have to find your roll number, and then you might find your name with the OMR sheet that you have filled in. Okay, so that is one point of check. So OMR sheet is available for view, and the most likely that your answer key will also be published today, so don't miss out on that. Download the answer sheet and check with your OMR sheet, copy of OMR sheet that you have, because you also have a OMR sheet copy with you. So check that, and also check that if the OMR sheet that is uploaded here is it same as you that you have or not. Okay, that is very, very important to check as well. So do the both checks, and you can finalize how much score that you are going to get in the KCET exam. Now again, if you are not happy with your KCET exam and you want to have a second shot at it, then definitely our Comet K 10 crash course is going to help you to get the same colleges that you are going to get via KCET exam. Okay, so the top colleges of Karnataka, and it is an all India based exam. And one very important thing about Comet K exam is that it is not as easy as KCET, it is not as difficult as JEE. Okay, so it is somewhere in between. And if you do not have any idea about Comet K exam, obviously I hope that you have filled up the form for Comet K. Most students do fill up the form. Sometimes they decide I will not attempt it. That is a separate issue. But if you have filled up the form for Comet K, definitely you should consider our batch Comet K10, which will start from this Monday 27th of April. It will start from this Monday 27th of April. So you are not late. Definitely you can consider the batch course is 1499 only, very, very nominal price, and you will get complete PYQ revision of 11th and 12th. You will get 5 full-length mock tests. You will get top 10 most expected questions as well. You are also going to get smart daily schedule for your preparation and daily DPPs to practice from. Okay, so you will be given DPPs from where you can practice the questions that you the chapters that you are studying. Okay, so this is very, very important for your Comet K preparation, and you can still get a rank below 1000 if you are serious, right? And me, Jyoti ma'am and Karishma ma'am will be taking the classes. I hope you have seen the lecture where we have launched the course, right? And this is the result of our last year's Comet K batch. This was the first batch that we have launched in from our channel. So the first batch, the first paid batch, this is the result of our first paid batch of Comet K, right? So you can see the results. Results are there, and you might be featured in this next year. So be very, very focused for next 13 days, because this is very, very important for your future aspect as well, right? I hope that you find this video helpful and informative. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll be back with more videos very soon. Till then, bye.